Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my everyday makeup routine. Okay, so what I usually start off with is my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I use the Anastasia Dipbrow in the shade medium brown, and I use this number 12 Anastasia brush, and it's like a angled brush one side and then spoolie on the other side. And I have an eyebrow routine. If you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. I'm not gonna do my eyebrows on camera because I have a video for that. So okay, so once I am done with my brows, next I move on to, wait, no, that's not actually it. But after I fill in my brows and stuff, I use this Benefit Gimme brow. It's like a brow gel, and it's really small because I got it from the Ipsy bag, but it works like really good because sometimes my hairs are like crazy, like especially like here and stuff. So yeah, I just like to brush through my eyebrows just to keep them in place so they won't be like everywhere throughout the day and I have to keep like on fixing them, if that makes sense. But yeah, this stuff works really good. I wonder how like big it actually is because I don't really want to buy it like the actual size, like once this one runs out. Like you see, like my brows here are crazy. Like it was hard filling it in right now because they wouldn't stay in their place. Usually like when I wear like stuff every day on my, like in general, like on my face, I don't really like wear foundation or concealer. Like I just like prep my face, like if I'm going to like put foundation on or like concealer, but I don't really like do anything, if that makes sense. The first thing that's gonna go on my face is this Maybelline Master Prime, and since I have a lot of pores, like especially around like my T-zone, that's where I'm gonna put the product, and it blurs out my blackheads and literally everything. After that, I got this from the Ipsy bag, like everything else. I got this from the Ipsy bag, and it's like a eye balm thing. Should I have something? And you put this like where you put your concealer only under your eyes and then just like rub it in, and it feels like if you're putting on like a lip balm, like chapstick or something, under your eyes. So after the eye balm thing, whatever majigger, I take this daily moisturizer, and I don't know how to say the name, but you can see it, and it's from the Ipsy bag like everything else. It looks like this. It's kind of like, it has like a green color to it. I don't know how to explain it. Like it's like a limeish green, I don't know. So I put that, and it's super hydrating. Oh, I forgot to say, like the reason why I do my eyebrows before like anything. Are you serious? Like the only reason why I do my eyebrows before like I start on my face is so that, because like I like to put moisturizer on my face to like prep my face. Why am I saying face a lot? But yeah, and like if I do my eyebrows after, it's gonna be like all slippery and the pomade's like not gonna like stick really on my face. I don't know. So after that moisturizer, I'm gonna put this E.L.F. Hydrating Face Primer, and I saw other YouTubers use it and they said that it worked really well, so I wanted to try it, and I tried it, and it's like really good. Like it feels like a lip balm kind of like all over your face, and it is really hydrating, and it looks like this is like clear, and it kind of feels like, I don't know, super hydrating. After that, the last thing I do to prep my face is I spray this Badescu Rosewater, and I just spray it all over my face so it can act like a primer kind of, even though I put like 10 different primers on my face. And then I just let that dry. Lately I've been like kind of slacking off on my face routine. That's why it kind of looks like I've been getting a lot of pimples, and I have been getting a lot of pimples, like especially right here, and yeah, it's just like a mess. But I mean, it's my fault because I haven't really been taking care of my skin, and and I've been stressing out. I don't really put a lot on my face after, just like a couple of things that I'm going to show you right now. So the first one is the Tarte blush in the shade Paaarty. So I take this fluffy brush. It's supposed to be a powder brush. I don't know where the brush is from. I got it from like this little cheap brush kit, whatever. And just dip into my blush. This is how I apply blush, and it's the easiest thing to do. Now I kind of look like I'm sunburned, but that's okay because it's spring break. After that, I take you already know, my Anastasia Glow Kit. I use this setting brush. It's supposed to be a setting brush, but I use it as a highlighting brush. I'm going to dip in this shade Summer and kind of lightly put some highlighter there, highlighter here, highlighter on my temples. I think that's what they're called. Some on my nose. So next I'm going to be taking this eyelash curler. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Hopefully let's not cut them off. This is like honestly the scariest thing in my whole entire life. So next I'm going to be taking, you already know, my Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. This is like literally what I use like 24/7, like all the time, like every day, all day, every day. I'm just gonna coat my lashes with that. It's like my favorite mascara. Like no other mascara can take its place. Okay, so I just finished with my mascara, and after that I'm going to be using my Badescu. This time I'm going to be using the lavender one. I don't know why, I just like to go back and forth with my Badescu sprays. Spray it. Ooh, she cute, she cute. So the last but not least thing of my everyday makeup routine is I use this Macaroon lip balm. I think that's how you say it. Again, from the Ipsy bag. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It smells amazing, to be honest. And then you just dip your finger onto your crusty lips, and bam, we are done here today, hunty. That is literally my everyday makeup routine when I don't really feel like caking my face or like doing crazy ass eyeshadow, which I rarely do. So yeah, that sums up the whole video. If you guys like seeing my everyday makeup tutorial slash routines, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below. Peace, guys.